Regenerate function. I want to show you how to regenerate the nice smile remote control. See, press the first button 3 times. This is our remote control idle. You need to press the first and the fourth button at the same time until the LED light on again. Then press the first button 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Then press third and fourth button. Confirm. That means the first button already regenerated as the nice smile remote control. Then I will show you idle work with the receiver. In order to quickly show idle can work with the receiver, so I need to make the power off, then on again. See, the LED light on. Okay.